Guys, this is still here, and today we are solving second question of weekly contest 468. So maximum total subarray value 1. You are given an integer array nums of length n and integer k. We have been given array and an integer k. You need to choose exactly k non-empty subarrays such that nums L to R of nums. Subarrays may overlap and the exact same subarray like same LNR can be chosen more than once. We will definitely clearly understand by dry running. The value of a subarray nums L to R is defined as max of this subarray and minus min of subarray. The total value is the sum of the values of all chosen subarray. Return the maximum possible total value you can achieve. So let's try to understand what is given to us and what we can do. Okay, so first of all, we have been given an array, some array like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. One array is given, and some k is given. K is let's say 3, for example. We need to choose three subarrays from this array. We need to choose three subarrays. So maybe like subarrays, if you don't, that are contiguous part. So I can. This is one subarray. This individual 4 is subarray. This 2, 3, 4 is one subarray. Any contiguous part of this array is basically called a subarray. We need to choose any three subarrays from this array, and there can be overlapping subarrays. First of all, first condition. So these two subarrays and this third subarrays, these three subarrays are totally fine. We can definitely have an overlapping subarrays. Second condition given to us, we can choose same L and R more than once. And what does that mean? I can definitely take this as a subarray and I can take this two times. So let's say I have to choose three times, and so I can definitely choose this three times. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Three times I can choose. And how I can calculate my answer? So max of subarray minus min of subarray. So max minus min will be my value of this single subarray, right? And in the last, what I need to do? I need to return the maximum possible total value. Total value is what? So let's say my subarray is like this. So let's say, for example, just for example, if I choose this subarray 2, 3, 4, I will choose it three times, for example, because that is allowed. So what will be the value of this? 4 minus 2, max minus min. 4 minus 2 is 2, 2, 2. So I will just add it up. My answer will be 6. So I need to choose this subarray optimally, so just to get maximum possible answer. So that definitely the answer you might have guessed is I can definitely take the max of this array, max of the whole subarray minus min of the whole array. That will give me the maximum possible answer. Why? Because the difference between these two things will be maximum possible in this array, right? So every time. So if this question is like, okay, if I'm not able to choose this basically this thing overlapping sovereign, then this question may be some tricky or some hard level, medium level. But if we can choose the same array multiple times, so this question becomes really easy. What we will do? We will just do k into max of array minus minimum of array. We will just do this thing and we will be done. This will be our answer. Because same subarray, I will take three times, right? That will give me maximum possible answer. So let's try to write the code of it. I hope you got it. It's very simple thing. So I will write something like max equal to max of nums. This is inbuilt Python function. Also C++, Java and JavaScript code is in the description. You can definitely check it out. Meaning I will write mini equal to minimum of nums. In last, I can return k into max c minus mini, and that will definitely be my answer. Let's try to run this. Okay, it's working fine. Let's try to submit. Okay, it is working fine. So I hope you understood this question. This is little tricky, just little tricky. In last question, in last contest, second question as well, we got something similar. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and don't forget to check that question out. That is also of similar kind, but with very simple solution like this. So thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll meet in the next one. Thank you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.